Hey guys, I'm here with a hair up tutorial. I love all these styles and I can't wait to share it with you. I'm really excited to partner with Uncle Funky's daughter for this. Here I'm taking the Shining Star hair elixir. I'm just gonna put it on my scalp and rub it in. For this wrap, I put my hair in a bun at the back of my head. Now go ahead and take your head wrap and just wrap it around your head like this. I like to pull out some strands. I think it looks cool, but that's just my personal taste. For this next style, I like to pull all my hair to the front and take my wrap and wrap it around my head like this. Style, put your hair into a messy bun like this. I really like this look on its own, but if you want, you can add a scarf to it. This last wrap is pretty much just a headband, but I think it's mad cute and I wear this often. Finally, I finish out with Uncle Funky's daughter's hair refreshing tonic. It smells really good and I just love to finish any style with it. Thanks again, Uncle Funky's daughter, and I hope y'all like this. Bye!